morning, guys. Saving with Shay, and I'm here for my midweek haul for you guys. So listen, we're gonna do a little bit of Walmart, and we're gonna do a little bit of Sprouts. I feel like with Sprouts, like I really try to make sure that I get enough deals in there to go there. So I feel like right now I'm pretty much doing Sprouts maybe every other week. And so all of the deals at Sprouts are all aisles offers. Probably won't do any in store. I'll just take pictures and voice it over. We'll do that after Walmart. If you are new here, then I heart you. Was that a heart? Was that a heart? Definitely subscribe. Also make sure you smash the like button. Support your girl. And don't forget to make sure your post notification on. So listen, I need like 15 offers, y'all, for $1 on Ibotta for my midweek. I ain't too happy about it. I ain't too excited. It's probably not gonna happen, but you just never know. Once you get in the store, things just be connected, and you be like, okay. But I don't know. It's only $1. I ain't gonna stress over it if I don't hit it. But I ain't gonna stress to hit it. I'm hoping that there are some awesome deals to be had today. We're gonna shoot over to Walmart first, see what kind of awesome deals we can grab there, and then again we'll follow up with Sprouts as well. So without further ado, let's head to Walmart, see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got you to do, keep on watching. All right, y'all, look, we got some really good food deals this week, which is awesome. So the first thing I'm gonna go over is the Tyson chicken patties. You can either grab the spicy or the original. I grabbed the original just because it's 26 ounces, I want to say, versus 23 ounces. I mean, 3 ounces is 3 ounces, but their price is $6.46. You can grab 2 of them. You'll pay $12.92. You'll get back 1,020 points on my points, which is $6.37. And they will get back $2 for each on checkout 51. It brings them down to $127 per bag. You can max it out, which is what I did, and grabbed 4 bags. You'll pay $25.84. You'll get back a total of $20.74. Again, bringing them down to $127. They do have an offer for the spook nuggets. They might be in the other refrigerator, in the meat section, but they're the same price, right? They're $6.46, and then you would grab 2 of those. You'll pay $12.92. You'll get back 850 points on my points, which is $5.31, and you'll get back $1.50 for each on checkout 51. So it makes those $2.30 per bag. Last but not least is the popcorn chicken, which I didn't see either. That one is also priced for $6.46. You grabbing 2 of them, you pay $12.92. You get back 680 points on my points, which is $4.25, and then 162 times 2 on checkout 51. It makes that one $2.71. So I just got the ones that was the cheapest. I'm gonna give these to my sister since we don't really eat these in our house. This one here just popped up this morning on aisles. It's on the Realgood. It's on any Realgood product. They have these here priced at $7.86. You'll get that back. I'll have a link for you in the description. I'm making this absolutely free. I'll probably grab this on a separate receipt and hope that it pops up on Ibotta. And so yeah, not a bad deal. All right, so we're gonna be grabbing the traditional medicinals stress ease tea again. Y'all, like with my points, look, I'm trying to do as many deals on my points as I can while I can. And so grabbing this again, they're priced at $5.17. You want to grab a total of 2 of them. That's going to bring that total down to $10.34, getting back $1.38 for each on checkout 51. There's also 850 points on my points, which is $5.31. For the points, we're just dividing the points by 160. It brings these down to only $113 each. I should have maxed it out, but I think I did it already on my points. And so not a bad deal. So look, this deal literally just, let's take this out because it's going to mess with my OCD. I'm going to be like, what? Something here doesn't belong. Anyway, so listen, I just saw this on, when I was scrolling through Instagram. I was at customer service returning something that didn't work out. And so I saw this pop up on Instagram. I'll have a link for you in the description. It's a WeStock offer. So it's buy one, get 4 free. I had to read that 2-3 times just to make sure it was right. I was like, what you mean buy one and get 4 free? So I'm going to get 5 for the price of 1. Okay, we'll be getting. So it's on the Jack Link's chili. They're priced at $4.18. For this, you want to grab 5 of them. All right, you'll end up paying
$20.90 out of pocket, but you'll get back the max amount on WeStock, which is $15.92, making them $4.98 for all 5 or only 99 cents each. And so yeah, definitely gonna grab this. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and grab this deal again on the Mother's cookies. They're priced at $3.42. For this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. You'll pay $6.84, getting back 510 points on my points, which is $3.18, and then 86 cents for each on checkoff 51. Bring these down to 97 cents. I think this time I'm gonna grab the Mythical Creatures one. And so, all right, guys. So this next deal is on the all. Look, I came first thing this morning after I left the gym, and I did find like 3 pillies on the per sale. But listen, this deal is on the all. Now, I don't see the one that I got, which is, I don't see the one that I got this morning. They only had one left, and I don't even see a place for it. But it's on rollback for $4.47. Let's just pretend that this is it right here. Okay, so we're going to grab one of those at $4.47. Then we're going to come over here and we're going to grab one of the all free and clear dryer sheets, 80 count, which is priced at $3.74. So the two is going to come to $8.21. We'll get back $1 for the sheets on Ibotta, $2 for the pods, 340 points on my points, which is $2.12. And then we'll get back 1,000 points on Fetch Reward, making them only $1.04. Now, I tried some things. So if you want to see what I tried and what worked, you should probably stay to the end. So yeah, not a bad deal. Right, so we're grabbing the Dickinson's Witch Hazel. Again, it's a buy one, get one free offer on Ibotta. You see those pillies, those $2 pillies right there? We're going to grab 2 of those. And we're going to grab 2 of these here, priced at $4.94. The 2 is going to come to $9.88. We'll use 2 of the pillies. We'll pay $5.88. We'll get back $4.94 on Ibotta, making them only 47 cents each. All right, guys. So this is the last deal that we're going to go over. If you made it to the last deal, hey, how you doing? It's funny seeing you here. Definitely give me a thumbs up in the comments if you made it to the last deal. Listen, it's on soft soap. I was kind of like, should I? I was like, hey, it's still a pretty decent deal. These usually sell pretty good for me. And so they are on soft soap. Now, this is a Swagbucks My Points Inbox Arta deal, so make sure you scan them first. Not all of the cents are working. So we're going to grab a total of 2 of them, priced at $2.48. That total is going to come to $4.96. We'll get back 510 points on my points, which is $3.18. It brings them down to 89 cents each. Now, I went ahead and maxed it out and grabbed a set for both my points and ta-da. And so, yeah, not a bad deal. All right, so we are finally at Sprouts. So this first deal is on the pop. It is priced at $2.49. When you want to grab 2 of them, there's $1 off 2 digital. You'll end up paying $3.98, getting back 25 cents for each on Ibotta, plus $2.49 on aisles, making them 49 cents each. Next up is the half day, which is priced at $2.49. You'll get that back through aisles, making this absolutely free. All right, next up is the Georgie energy drink. I did this about a week ago. They're priced at $2.99. You want to grab 2. There's a 75-cent digital. You end up paying $5.23. You'll get back 75 cents for each on Ibotta, plus $5.23 through aisles. It'll make this $1.50 moneymaker. Now, I did try these at the gym the other day, y'all. I don't know if it's the green tea that makes it bitter to me, but I wasn't feeling it. And so, but it is $1.50 moneymaker. Next up is the Remedy Organics. Now, I've had this offer for Social Nature for a while now. It's buy one, get one free. And it so happened to just pop up on aisles. So I'm buying 2 for $6, getting back 3 for Social Nature and 3 for aisles, making them both absolutely free. Now, really quick, when I text aisles for this offer, the offer I got back was like a buy 2, get 1 free. So I wasn't sure if it would work, and it still did work for buy 1, get 1 free. All right, so the Dewey Bakery cookies are priced at $4.99. We have a free offer through aisles, making this absolutely free. All right, next up is the True Whip. It is priced at $2.99, and we have a $2 offer on aisles, making this only 99 cents. All right, guys, we're almost done. So if you are still watching, definitely don't forget to smash the like button. So this deal here is on the St. James tea. I've already done this deal, so I can't do it again right now. But you want to grab one price at $2.50. We have $1 back on Ibotta. We also have $2.50 back on aisles, making this $1 moneymaker. Last but not least, I just happened to find this when I was editing. Why am I stuttering though? It's on the Veggie Craft Pasta, priced at $3.49. Getting that back through aisles, making this absolutely free. So I will see you guys at home for the final breakdown. Here is our complete haul for today. This worked out really, really good. It's not a crazy money maker like it usually is, but this did only cost us less than a quarter, which is really awesome. The only thing I didn't mention in the video was the dial. Now, I did do this deal at Family Dollar, which I almost never go to. But on Tada, I was super close to cashing out. And I was passing Family Dollar. And I went ahead and just grabbed it. These are $2.15, and it's buy two, get back three, limit of a set of 4. So I grabbed 4 of them and made those like 65 cents each, I want to say. I think that's the only thing I didn't mention in the video. Other than that, please excuse your side over here, clicking away. Other than that, you guys, what else did I want to make? Oh, with the awe. So I submitted my receipt for checkout 51 to see if that was going to work. Now, I did the awe and I did the Tyson on the same receipt. It missed one of my Tysons, but gave me credit for both of these. When I went in to have the receipt corrected, it fixed it and only gave me credit for one of these instead of the 2. So it added the 4th bag it missed, but took away one of these. So ended up making them both free plus $1.05 moneymaker, which is really cool. Was gonna go back and grab another set for Walmart rewards, and then submit to my Checkout 51 account. But the offer was already gone, so I couldn't try it. But I'm pretty sure if I had just grabbed them by themselves, it would have went straight through. Only reason why I was corrected was because I had to reach out to support to fix the 4th bag they missed. But it still, again, makes those free plus $1.05. Other than that, I think that's basically it with this haul, y'all. Everything here worked out really good, like I said. And so everything that you see here retails $139.76. We had $5 in coupons. It brought the out-of-pocket down to $134.76, and then we walk away with $49.75 from my points. Aisles is $26.82. WeStock is $15.92. Checkout 51 is $15.62. Tada is $12. Ibotta is $10.44. Social Nature is $3. And Fresh Reward was $1. So we walk away with a total of $134.55 back in rebates. It makes this whole haul a net cost of 21 cents, you guys, which is so freaking awesome. What did I want to add? Oh, with my points, I did get 2 of my gift cards that cashed out since my last video. And I think I'm still waiting for 3 or 4. And so, yeah, as of right now, today, it is still glitching and still giving you $25 for what would cost you for a $15 gift card. And so, for PayPal only, that is. And so, other than that, if you made it to the end, I appreciate you guys watching. What was our emoji, Bug?
Basketball.
A basketball. If you guys get to the end of the video, we appreciate you guys watching, and we want to see a basketball emoji. And we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.